This video is how do young guys, or middle-aged guys, conceal the fact that they had a frontal, relatively small hair transplant. And this is the boyfriend of the sister of the patient that's in our How to Clean Your Hair Transplant video that we have on our website. It's an 18-minute video. And the sister's pretty cute. The girlfriend's, she's a cute girl, and the boyfriend is an actor.
He looks good too.
Yep, and he didn't really need much time, but he's I think he's 30 now, and he's worried about his hairline. So we agreed to do about 1,800 grafts on his hairline, just to lower it a little bit and to add him some density, because he really felt like that would help his acting.
I think it helps him get different
Who knows what? I think it just gives him confidence.
No, it gives him different age. What do you call it? Rolls.
So here he is at the end of the case. You can see we packed that hair in, and then here he is at day 6 when he got his stitches out, and his hair's down. You can't see anything that's been done.
No.
And then you pull your hair back, and you can see that he did a great job cleaning. And the back of his head, you can't see anything at this point. So he's only a month or so out, and
yeah, he promised to bring us a picture because he's doing a commercial.
Yep.
And he will keep us updated with his progress.
Yeah. So young guys, follow this guy and the other video called "Don't Get a Haircut Before Your Hair Transplant." It gives you more options to try to conceal things. Thanks.